बस मेंटेन हो जाए फिगर, कुछ भी एक दो बारी खाओ कुछ हो ना उसके बाद, है ना? तो सेवा में यही बोल रही हैं।
We're not losing muscles. We are targeting for fat, not muscle. That's the idea of nutrition and fitness. We should aim for fat, not muscles. So I'm setting this background, this ground before I start my presentation. So 3 common myths which we always hear. The first one, women say weight training will make just women and weight training. So they think weight training will make them bulky or weight training is just for men. Agree? It happens. Yeah? When you start in the gym, you feel like weight training is for men. You can't do weight training. But weight training is not gender specific. That's the common myth. It's not gender specific. It's for everyone, whether it's female or male. How does weight training helps female? You can't tone your body. You can't tone your body. Maybe you thought you lose weight, but your arms, especially your triceps, will sag. Your lower abdomen will sag. Your hips will sag. Right? It generally happens when you lose weight. How to correct that? Combination of the weight training, 60% weight training, 40% cardio with some flexibility. That's the ideal workout. I'm a health and wellness consultant. When I discuss fitness, I always talk about nutrition and workout all together. Otherwise, weight training benefits for women. I'm very gender specific here for women. We say PCOS, thyroid, PCOS. We always say cysts in the ovaries. Doctors say yes, cysts in the ovaries, XYZ. That's how you gain weight. Your insulin resistance. Weight training helps in improving your insulin sensitivity. So it's not about the cysts in the ovaries. It's about the insulin. It's about the insulin, not about the cysts in the ovaries. That's how weight training helps in reducing fat. It improves your insulin sensitivity of the body. Once your insulin hormone is in control, you can easily lose fat. Thyroid, generally like even our honorable judge, she said at the beginning, every other woman, they complain for thyroid, PCOS. Weight training stimulates your thyroid gland. It stimulates your thyroid gland, force him to work properly. Resistance training. So the answer for this thing is for PCOS, thyroid, fat loss, you should do weight training. Weight training is not only for men. Keep that thing out of your mind. It's only for men. Right? That's the first myth. Any question from this myth? Anyone? Any doubts? No? I hope I'm clear to everyone. Right? Second myth. I was just discussing with Ruchita. She said, I don't eat. I miss my meal sometime. I miss my breakfast. I miss my lunch. I miss my dinner. This is the second common myth we think if we skip meals, we will lose weight. And we do. Like, हम बोलते हैं हमने ब्रेकफास्ट नहीं खाया. क्यों नहीं खाया? चल यार 400-500 कैलोरी कम हो जाएगा डाइट में से. ऐसा बिल्कुल नहीं होता. It's not happen like that. Have you ever seen squirrel? Gilhari. Have you ever seen squirrel? Gilhari. Squirrel, for the winters, they keep saving nuts in the trees. Agree? You all have seen squirrel. Squirrel keeps saving nuts in the trees for winters. When winters aayega, I'll have my nuts. On the same mechanism, our body works. Our body says, Gurpreet is very stubborn. He makes me starve for long hours. Whatever he, pale yellow skin, hairs, nails, muscle loss, right? Again, if you keep skipping your meal, you will lose your muscle mass. You will feel sick. You will fall sick often. Your immunity will go down. You will not get fit into your clothes. Because our body is working on the school mechanism. Your tummy will start going out. So you should not skip your meals at any cost. You should eat your meals after every 2 to 3 hours. After every 2 to 3 hours. That's why second myth. I hope I'm revealing all these myths, right? Any question from this myth? Anyone want to ask something? No? Perfect. Third common myth. These days in the market, we see a lot of low-fat foods, right? Low-fat, max protein, right bar. And there are a lot of nutritionists, are not named, very good nutritionists in South Delhi. I'll not name them. They say, go and have this bar. This is low fat. This is low fat. Go and have pizza. XYZ nutritionist. Have pizza. I can see smiles. Maybe you can, for whom I'm talking about. Yeah, Have Diet Coke. Indian guys, they say have Diet Coke. I can see a lot of smiles now on the medications. They say have burger with mayonnaise. And when you ask them, can I work out? He gives this answer, workout is not for beautiful women. Go and sleep. When you feel like to work out, just sleep. So again the common myth, first of all these fat diets, which we are following, not I'll say which we are following, but people who are consulting them, XYZ, nutritionists. And people think all calories are the same. Right, Ruchi? Like, I'm giving her diet counseling, she said that day, I'm going to have this nutrition bar, it says low fat. I said, don't have it. Don't have it. See the content, see the label, then have it. So all the calories are not same. 100 calories coming from tofu, example, tofu or chicken. Good source of protein, right? Tofu or chicken. 100 calories coming from a piece of cake, by strawberry, chocolate, whatever you like. Those are not same. How they are not same? Nutritionists saying have pizza and get this much calories from pizza and don't have chicken. Calories coming from piece of cake won't help you in losing fat. Will not help you losing fat. Address my words, my statement very carefully. It won't help you. What you are losing, you are telling your friends, I'm losing weight, I lost weight, and I'm ready for my bridal, this thing, attire. What you lost? Fat or muscle? Even you have no idea. And it seems like you lost weight. Again, weight. I'm using this word weight. Again, a catchy term. Weight. It's fat. You're not losing fat. The fat is still there. You must have seen women, when they are following this fat diet, they still get myself fat. That's the reason. Fat is still there. Fat is still there. What you lost is just muscle. Hard-earned muscle. So calories which came from chicken, how does it help? First of all, it suppresses your appetite, which is not the case with cake. Right? Calories which came from chicken or tofu will help you to gain some muscle mass. When I say muscle mass, I'm not saying for women you will become bulky. Because women, you don't have that hormone profile like men. When I say muscle, you look lean. Example, Bipasha Basu, Deepika Padukone, Sonam Kapoor. Right examples. They look lean, sharp. They won't look bulky. I'm not talking about the bodybuilders, girls here. Right? It suppresses your appetite. It makes you feel full. Calories came from chicken, helps you in gaining some muscle mass. More the muscle, better the metabolism. Agree? If I have a lot of muscles, I can simply handle glucose very easily. Right? These are the common myths. Now recently I came across a very good this thing. They said, can I have Red Bull these days? You see a lot of Red Bulls here. Red Bulls. Can I have Red Bull? Red Bull instead of light soda or soda. I think Red Bull is better. Soda makes me feel bloated. I'll have Red Bull. I'll get some energy. Have you know what is Monster, Red Bull, XYZ drinks? What they have in them? What they're containing? Any idea? Any idea? Yeah. This Red Bull, yes, Red Bull, Monster, XYZ drinks. What does they have? Caffeine. Lots of caffeine. 80 to 100 mg caffeine in just one can of Red Bull. With lot of sugar. With lot of sugar. That's why I said you should read the label before you choose that drink. It has a lot of sugar. Red Bulls are not better than sodas. If you see the sugar content in a Pepsi as compared to Red Bull, it has less sugar. What I'm saying, you can go and check. Right? So, again the fourth thing, the same one. All these drinks are not better than diet sodas. Think wisely before you choose anything to eat or drink. I hope I'm clear with you. Right? Any question from these 4 minutes? You can ask me. Metabolism. More the muscle, better the metabolism. The question will be how we can gain muscle, how to increase muscle mass, reduce fat. You work out, you go for gym and all. Your workout has to be in proper proportion, like 60 to 70% weight training, 30% cardio. That's how you can gain muscle mass. But one more thing, I'm a dietitian, nutritionist. My body weight is 80 kgs. How I'll gain muscle mass if I'm not having proper protein? What's your body weight? 47 kilos. I'll give answer for that. So her weight is 47 kilos. So if she has to gain muscle mass, that means she has to take at least 1 gram per kilogram of body weight protein. That means approximate 50 gram of protein every day. If I ask you, so in veg we have a lot of good options. That's not an excuse. Milk is good. You can have tofu. Sorry? I'll sit with her after my presentation. Right? So you have to increase your protein. Now your question was your son what? Your son? High protein diet. Okay. Okay.
Morning is having the protein shake, afternoon is having the chicken breast, eggs, for past 18 months. So, taking so much of protein, he's doing workout also, he's having his instructor, he's instructing a lot. He has been a lot of muscle mass.
The answer for her question is, her son is doing high protein diet from the last 3 months, having a lot of protein and not having enough carbohydrates, right? So, high protein diet against a fat diet. When I say fat, fashionable diet. High protein diet is not good for the body. Why is not good for the body? Because the first source of energy is carbohydrates, glucose, and he's not having enough glucose. That's protein shakes. No, that's not good. That's what I'm saying. High protein diet is not good for the liver as well. If someone is doing high protein diet, chances of your liver enzymes will go haywire. So your diet should be 55% should be protein, 30% should be carbohydrates. carbohydrates, 30-35%, and 5 to 10% good fats. Fats also. Good fat. When I say good fat, I mean olive oil, nuts, walnuts, almond, good fats. I'm not talking about refined here. Or basic ghee. Yes. How? Protein eggs are Indian brand, Protein eggs. Protein eggs is a very good brand, I'll say, because even I recommend Protein eggs to a lot of women, especially Protein eggs. They also have this Protein eggs diabetic. People who are diabetic, they have launched this very, again, it's a myth. One more myth. She said, generally parents say don't lift weights to the children. Don't do gymming. It will stop at height. If we see our Western countries, right? Their teenagers, kids, they do work out from the beginning and they grow really well. Why? Weight training helps you better in your growth. It stimulates your hormones to secrete hormones which are required for the growth. It's a myth. Again, it's a myth. You should do weight training. You should. If you have any questions regarding your weight training, I'm on Facebook, Instagram. You can take my number. You can connect me. Right?
So one thing about her is not deserving me, but she is very weight conscious. So she most of the time she starts. She skips her breakfast. She skips her dinner. She will take only vegetable powder. She will avoid carbohydrates. Is it the right thing?
No, this is not the right thing because this is again a fat diet. It's a fat diet. If she's skipping meals, having just vegetables, right? Chances, 99% chances, she will lose muscle mass. She will lose her strength. In future, it will suppress her hormone as well.
She is not fat. She is very thin. But the thing is, she feels that her hair is too fat.
Okay.
For that,
Stop. See, when I say diet, nutrition, dieting means eating right at right time. That doesn't mean starving. Starvation is not in my dictionary. I don't believe in... No, that's not good. That's not good. It's a proper meal. Breakfast, brunch, lunch, supper, and then dinner. Like that. Anyone else? Okay. If you miss your dinner, missing again, you should not miss your dinner.
एक बार जोरदार तालियां बजती रहे. कम ऑन एवरीवन. आई थिंक आपकी निरंतर तालियों का समर्थन पूर्ण तरह से चाहिए, तो तालियां बजती रहें.